Welcome to this tutorial. This phone, the name has claimed, and the only thing you can see here is a TechnoSpark. TechnoSpark will not give you the details on the type of screen you're going to fix on this phone. Let's see how we can get the details of this particular phone. And it seems the owner doesn't know the details well. And we cannot find the model number for now. Let's remove the SIM tray. The only thing we are left with is that it's Techno and TechnoSpark. Let's remove the nose of the phone. So the first step we are going to take here is to know the model number of this TechnoSpark. Assuming we don't know it and the owner doesn't know it as well. Because without knowing the model number, you won't know the type of LCD you are going to fix on it. So let's open the back. Let's use a flat object. This phone bent. That's why I'm using my fingernail. It's already bent to avoid it, to avoid breaking the cover. You have to be careful here because of this fingerprint. Seems this phone the screen has been changed before, so removing the battery will not be hard, unless the person that fixed the screen before puts gum on the battery. I don't want to remove the earpiece filter if it still has. If there is one, I don't want to remove the filter. you are playing with screen, you have to be careful because this glass, if it enters your body, that will be a problem. So let me remove the screen. I do screen. I have to remove the network connector or antenna wire here. So enable me remove this charging flare cell cable from screen. So I'm going to use this magnifying glass to check the model number written on the phone. To make it easier, otherwise you can look at direct. So this phone is KI5P. KI5P. Let me fetch a matchable screen. And for now, the matchable screen should be BF6 or BF7 or Infinix X6516 or 6515 or 6517 or A60S. You can see it here. 6515 A60S KI5K. So since this is KI5P, I think KI5K will work as well. That's what I'm going to fix here. We're going to test the screen first because we're not too sure if this is the screen of the phone. Sometimes it's a guessing work. And boom, it has come on. Let's wait patiently until it boosts finish. I think the phone has come on, but the screen is dim and the brightness is low. If you press the power button, you will see. can see it here. So test if all the buttons are working, all the apps are opening, and you are good to go to the next stage. So I've just increased the brightness. You can see everything going on smoothly. You know the next thing to do is to apply gum and fix other things and allow it to dry.